AMV, how can I attract wealth, and how can wealth attract me? All right. You need to understand that mammon is a spirit. And if you must attract or be attracted to mammon, then you must do the things that commands it. And I'm going to share with you three keys to attract or to be attracted by wealth. Number one is spiritually. There is a creator of mammon. There is a creator of everything. That's Yeshua. That's the Most High. That's the supreme God. Amen. Now, when you speak to the one who owns everything, it can literally talk to that thing to come to you spiritually. Number two is that you have to work for it. You have to be very hardworking and disciplined. Hardworking, disciplined, and be consistent in what you are doing. That alone will attract wealth. And number three ways to attract wealth and for wealth to be attracted to you is you have to play things the smart way. It is one thing to be hardworking. It is another thing to be smart working. Hard work pays, but smart work pays better. Are you get what I'm saying now? That is the literal ways you can attract or be attracted to wealth. Thank you.